Welcome to Agial Language School. Today we are going to explain factorizing by grouping. We use grouping when the expression consists of 4 terms or more. And we have 2 methods. The first method is to divide the expression into 2 groups of 2 terms, like ax plus ay plus bx plus by. This expression formed from 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can use grouping by dividing this expression into 2 groups, each group of 2 terms. So I will take ax plus ay together and bx plus by together. I divided the expression into 2 groups, each one of 2 terms. The first group here, ax plus ay, has a common factor. What is it? Yes, a. So put a out and open bracket. Ax divided by a equals x, and ay divided by a equals y. And the second group here has also highest common factor. It's what? It's b. So take out b as the highest common factor and divide each term by b. Bx divided by b equals x. By divided by b equals y. And here we have x plus y is, yes, highest common factor, so put it out and open bracket. This expression divided by x plus y equals a, and this expression divided by x plus y equals b. We take x plus y as the highest common factor, so here is a and here is b. Another example. X to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus 27 minus 9x. This expression also consists of 4 terms, so you should to divide it into groups. Here I will take each 2 terms together, so x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 together and 27 minus 9x together. The first group here, x to the power 3 minus 3x squared, has a common factor. It's x to the power 2. X to the power 3 divided x to the power 2 equals x, and negative 3x to the power 2 divided by x squared equals negative 3. The second group, 27 minus 9x, has a highest common factor. It's 9. So 9 here, open bracket. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Negative 9x minus 9 divided by 9 equals, yes, x or negative x. And now look here. Here is x minus 3 and here is 3 minus x. To make them like each other, take negative 1 as the highest common factor, so it will be x to the power 2 multiply x minus 3. Negative 9 here, positive 9 here will be negative 9, and this expression will be x minus 3. And now you can take x minus 3 as highest common factor. take x minus 3 as the highest common factor. It will be x square minus, yes, 9. And pay attention, x square minus 9 here is difference between two squares, so you should to factorize it. First write x minus 3 as it, and to factorize this expression, open two brackets, one positive and one negative. The square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 9 is 3, so here is x plus 3 and here x minus 3. Another example. X to the power 2 minus 4y to the power 2 minus 5x plus 10y. We can take x squared minus 4y y to the power 2 as a group, and here I can take, yes, this is as another group, but be careful, you take negative as the highest common factor, so this sign will be, yes, negative. And now the first group is a difference between two squares. This is perfect square and this is perfect square, and there is negative sign between them. So to factorize them, open two brackets. The square root of x to the power 2 is x. The square root of 4y to the power 2 is 2y. One positive and the other is negative. And here 5x minus 10y has a common factor, it's 5. Divide each term by the highest common factor, so 5x divided by 5 equals x, and negative 10y divided by 5 equals what? Yes, negative 2y. And now you can take x minus 2y as a common factor, x minus 2y. This expression divided by x minus 2y, it will be, yes, x plus 2y. And this expression divided by x minus 2y, it will be, yes, negative 5. Okay. As we said, we have two methods. The first method, as we said, we can divide the expression into two groups, each one of two terms. The second method is what? Let's see by an example. X to the power 2 minus 10xy plus 25y to the power 2 minus 36. Here we can divide the expression into two groups, but the first group of 3 terms and the second group of 1 term, trinomial and binomial. So x to the power 2 minus 10xy plus 25x to the power 2 as a group, and 36 as another group. And now this expression is a perfect square trinomial. So to factorize it, only put brackets to the power 2. X squared will be x, 25y to the power 2 will be 5y, and the sign like the middle term, so it will be negative. Minus what now? Minus 36. This and this is perfect square, and this is perfect square, and there is difference sign between them. So this is difference between two squares. You should to factorize it. To factorize it, open two brackets, one positive and the other negative. The square root of x minus 5 all to the power 2 is, yes, x minus 5y. The square root of 36 is 6. So here also x minus 5y, and here is 6. Another example. Okay. X to the power 2 plus 9 y to the power 2 minus 25 plus 6xy. We can take x to the power 2 plus 6xy plus 9y square as one group and 25 as another group. Why? Because this expression is a perfect square trinomial. You can factorize it. How? Bracket to the power 2. The square root of the first term is x, the square root of the third term is 3y, and the sign of the middle is positive, minus 25. Now you have difference between two squares, so you should to factorize it. Here positive and here, yes, negative. X plus 3y to the power 2 will be x plus 3, yes, y. 25 will be 5. Here, like it, x plus 3y minus what? 5. We have finished our lesson for today. Have a nice day and goodbye.